Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to be signed into the Apple ID that the AirPods use. Once done, open Find My on your iPhone or iCloud. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled so the case or buds can broadcast. If the AirPods were recently connected, they will appear under Devices. Tap them immediately. This starts a location fetch. If they are offline, Find My still shows the last known location. That gives you a search starting point. Once you tap the AirPods entry, inspect the map and the last seen time to narrow where to search. If the buds are within Bluetooth range, they'll show current location and you can tap Play Sound, choose left, right, or both to make locating faster. If they are farther away, tap Directions to get walking or driving guidance to the last known spot. Keep in mind that offline AirPods only report their last location, so move to that spot and refresh Find My. When you reach the last known location, perform a focused physical search. Check pockets, bags under cushions, and tight spaces where earbuds hide. If you can't find them, mark the AirPods as lost in Find My and enable Notify when found so you receive an alert if they reconnect. If you recover them but they won't pair, reset the AirPods by holding the case button and repair to your device. If nothing works, consider Apple support for replacement advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.